Why is this small AI stock, which suddenly appeared on everyone's radar, being talked about so much? This might actually be due to the fact that the defense AI theme has become one of the hottest topics recently. As you know, the sector took off, especially with America increasing the budget for AI-based warfare technologies. Investors have started searching for BBAI BigBear.ai under the name the new Palantir. Due to its small market cap, it is seen as having high potential. In the upcoming periods, it might be possible to see movements like these. It has also created serious hype on Reddit and Stocktwits. The short squeeze expectation has also accelerated the stock. Finally, BBAI making 100% moves within a few months during certain periods has generated speculative interest. Why? Because of this look, from last November 2024 to January-February 2025, it achieved a 514% return, meaning a six-fold gain, and then again, this rally is almost 275%. There's another 100% movement here. And right now, we might be in the midst of a breakout. Even though we remain below the moving averages, it looks like it will go on like this for a while longer. So, why is the Palantir comparison being made? Let's take a look at this. We mentioned defense AI. Both are working with the Pentagon and government defense agencies. They have data analytics, big data processing, and decision systems. They can perform real-time analysis in military operations and provide operational support to commanders. Their main source of income is government contracts, which is essentially a guaranteed business. Because of this, many investors describe it as a mini Palantir. What do they have in terms of Pentagon connections? They have GFIMA programs in the U.S. Army, NSA contracts, defense data systems, autonomous mission systems, and border security solutions. Jobs like these are exceptionally good for BigBear.ai. So what could happen next? Let's clear the chart and start over. There are actually some nice, distinct profit-taking zones here. Frankly, this could break out and take off in the coming period. We need to pay attention to these points. First of all, if you notice, right over here, exactly last September, on the 10th of September 2025, it made a bottom and went up. This means this is an accumulation zone. However, since this position broke down sharply, we have now climbed up to the $4.66 level, just as we mentioned on the last closing day. But the 100-day moving average seems to have become a resistance for us as of right now. Currently, there is an accumulation phase here. Some people bought it, got scared off by slight profit taking, and then there's another accumulation phase. If it happens that we quickly change direction and break these averages, the stock will likely go up, pull back, and then exhibit its fast movements just like before. Looking at the weekly chart, as you can see the price movements now. When we switch to the weekly chart here, let's clear these. Let's look at it like this. The weekly chart will be more meaningful. Look, every single candle represents a week. So, the week of May 4th, the week of May 11th, and the past week of May 18th are shown here. For the last 3 weeks, the line actually wants to push itself upwards. However, as you can understand from these white bars, the averages are not allowing this right now. So what does this mean? As some people buy, those who make a profit on the way up are cashing out and leaving the stock. Well, this won't last forever like this. Sooner or later, it inevitably exists in its past history. Look, if we catch a 1-week chart like this. Let me even paint that area for you so it's clearer. Where is our brush? If we suddenly break out with a moving average like this time our direction will be. We will very easily see 5.31 in the first stage. And it even looks like we will climb up to the 6.41 level. That's the situation for BigBear.ai. If you've watched the video up to this point, you can subscribe to the channel. If you like and share our videos, you'll benefit us greatly in the algorithm. I hope you are all winning. Wishing you great profits.